Did you know that 88% of businesses are using some kind of social media marketing to help grow their business? And those that do have a huge advantage over their competition. But you may have concerns and questions that you want answered. And we want to help by giving you a free report titled Social Media Marketing Secrets for the Local Business. This is a clearly written report that will help you understand how social media marketing works, the type of social media sites and networks that are best for your business, and everything else you need to make the best decision possible. This report in no way is endorsed or in partnership with any social media website or service. It is for educational purposes only based on our research and experience. Simply complete the form on this page and download it now.